Sonani, founder and CEO of Trendtech Consultants, joining us from Calcutta. We've got Ashish Kapoor, CEO InvestShop, joining us from Delhi Studios. First up, we've got Vanilla. She's a homemaker calling in from the UK. Hi, Vanilla. What's your question?
Hi, very good morning. My query is, I'm holding Mahindra and Mahindra 40 number of shares, and what are the future prospects of this stock?
Right, well, are you a long-term investor, I'm assuming?
Yeah, I'm not in a rush. I can hold it for 1 to 2 years or more.
Right. Hitesh, Mahindra & Mahindra, the investor is a long-term one. She's in the money. What is the kind of advice that you've got for her worth holding on to? What's the long-term trend looking like?
Yes, Amina, Mahindra & Mahindra has been an outperformer in this entire bull run, and we continue to remain bullish on the charts of Mahindra & Mahindra. It had hit a low of 120 in December 2008, and currently it's hovering around 685, 690. My advice to the caller would be to keep a stop loss of 630, which is very close to the entry point, and enjoy this rally, which could see another 25 to 30% uptick in Mahindra over the next 3 to 6 months.
Right, so that's a clear hold coming in Manila on Mahindra & Mahindra. Ashish, what are you making?
Okay. Mr. Naresh joining us from Bangalore. Hi Naresh, good morning and welcome to Buy Yourself. What would you like to know?
Good morning. I hold 100 shares of Philips Carbon at 39.5. I would like to know what are the prospects for the next 3 months or the next 6 months.
Alright, the stock's come down a little bit. Actually, it's declined about 4 to 5% in the last 1 week or so. You're sitting on a little bit of a loss. There's a lot of excitement, at least in the company, and there are lots of people who are saying that 20 to 22% upside is possible because there's new capacity going to be commissioned, and companies been able to report good numbers because of a low base. Any reason to be concerned with that recent decline of about 5% that we've seen in the stock?
Not in my sense, Manisha. The stock is currently still very bullish, and this decline should be looked at as an opportunity to enter. The entire space is looking good, and we could keep a stop loss of 205, remain invested with a target of 270 because the charts are extremely bullish currently.
Well, that's the call coming in on Philips Carbon. Well, stay with us back after a quick commercial break.
Welcome back from Andhra Pradesh with his stock query. Rajesh, good morning. What's your stock?
Hello, good morning.
Morning. Go ahead. Tell us what your stock is, Rajesh.
About Aptech shares at 157. What is the short-term target of Aptech? Can I get the all-time high? 250?
Alright, 250 all-time high. Is that possible on Aptech or not? Well, on the charts, it hasn't looked very good, Hitesh. If you look at it, it's been mostly on a negative sort of a trend line, except for the 3-month trend line, which shows about a 10% jump up. What's your advice to Rajesh?
I agree with you, Manisha. It's been bearish since September 2009, when it saw a high of 295 levels. So, for the short term, my advice would be to exit this counter and enter a number of other counters in a number of other trending sectors which are extremely bullish now. So, my advice would be to exit Aptech at these levels.
Ashish, this was at one point of time one of those exciting IT education stories, and somewhere, of course.
Next up, we've got another query. We've got Subhajit Banerjee joining us from Pune. He's a software professional. Hi Subhajit, what's your question?
Hi Manisha, good morning. My question is, I have 50 units of Punjli and at the rate of 190. Should I hold it or I will sell it?
Right, Ashish, what is Punjli looking? Which advises you to hold on to that counter? Hitesh, what are you making of it? Recent couple of weeks has seen the stock move quite sharply, right? It's gained about 10% in the last week or so. Does it seem like the downtrend is over and the stock is probably beginning to look a little more bullish?
Samina, 140 is a very critical resistance for Punjloid, and the stock has been in a downtrend since October 2009 when it hit a high of 300. Like you mentioned, it's currently rallied about 10%, but we need to take out 140 to confirm that this downtrend is over. But in the meantime, my recommendation would be to exit at the current levels, because it is very possible that we don't break 140 and we see much lower levels from here. So I've got to sell on this one.
All right. Do you need a lot more conviction to have a long hold at least or go long on Punch Lloyd? It could be a momentum pick up or short the losses that many investors are sitting on just in this market rally. We'll be back. A lot more questions.
Good morning, ma'am. I hold 2,700 shares limited, ma'am. Price is 103. I am short on the investor. I hold RX.
Right. Ashish, Unitech, I think that was sector, but looking okay. That's the advice coming in. Hitesh, what about you? The stock has largely been an underperformer. Last week it actually declined when the broader markets gained in trade. Looking at the last 1 month as well, the stock hasn't really done anything, right? Is it looking like it's consolidating at this point of time? Can the investor expect that 100 rupees plus kind of target on that stock anytime soon?
I think it should happen, Samina. Unitech has given a buy signal as per our model after a year of being bearish, and I think it is consolidating, but it has a bullish bias currently. So we should see levels of 115 to 120 happen in the next 2 to 3 months. There could be a sudden upthrust with the overall bullish flavor in the market, and that could see real estate counters like Unitech and DLF shoot up. So my current advice would be to hold on, keep a stop loss of around 80 to 81 with a target of 125 to 130 in the next 3 to 4 months.
Alright, so that's a hold on Unitech coming in. Let's move on to a stock which of course we can't do buy or sell without it coming up at least once from our callers. This is Suzlon. Alex calls us from Kerala with his stock question. Alex, go ahead. Suzlon is what you hold.